Was your jacket a Dodger jacket?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
we're wearing
Right.
Dodger gear today.
Okay. And no ring on your finger yet, huh? You're not taken yet?
No ring on my finger.
Don't even have a boyfriend yet?
No.
Are you serious, huh? It's hard to find somebody that doesn't want to put you in their basement, huh? Hey guys, News Now California, out in the city of Santa Fe Springs. I'm out here today at the City Hall, and we're going to see if they respect my right to film in public. This is pretty nice. The Immortal Archer. This is a great city hall you have here. Where's the police department?
The police services is under at the next corner.
It's services, it's not a police department?
Whittier Police Department services Santa Fe Springs.
Oh, Whittier. Okay, is it a big facility?
The police services? It's smaller than
Is
this.
it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's sheriff's then, huh?
No, there's code enforcement there. They do dog licenses, yard sales, stuff like that.
Okay.
And the police service officers are there.
Okay.
Community officers.
Oh, the community officers,
Yes.
but they're not real policemen then?
No.
Who are the real policemen around here? Whittier?
Whittier Police Department.
And Whittier is how far from here?
10, 15 minutes.
10, 15? Okay. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay, bye now.
Yep, city, look.
Thank you.
Here's the mayor, Jay Sarno. Here's the mayor, Mr. Jay Sarno. Juanita Trujillo is the mayor pro tem. Here's Mr. Richard Moore, the council member. Here's Here's Mr. William Rounds, a council member. And here's Mr. Joe Angel Zamora, a council member. And all of these gentlemen are dressed pretty sharp. My guess is they bought all their suits at the Hollywood Suit Factory, because you get a good deal there. Quality craftsmanship. At least that's what I gather from the commercial. Uh-oh. Somebody doesn't like me filming here. Hi.
What are you filming?
What's
If I may
that?
ask. What are you filming, if I may ask?
I'm filming this whole facility.
Oh, the city hall?
Yeah,
Is it for a project or something?
yeah.
For what project?
For my project that I'm doing on the city hall.
Oh, you're doing a project on the city hall?
Uh-huh.
Oh, are you a student?
No,
No?
I'm not a student. It's my own project.
Oh, just for...
Have you ever done a project on the city hall?
No.
Would you like to do my project with me?
Oh, no, thank you.
No?
I've had enough school.
Yeah.
I've had enough schooling, so I've had my share of projects.
So no doubt you're an employee here?
I'm an employee.
What do you do here?
I'm in public affairs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Which means you check if the publics are having any affairs, or what's that?
So pretty much any type of promotional events or any information for the city.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good job. You
I
look
like
very
it.
young.
I am. I'm older though. I'm 29. So
Oh,
I'm not as young
29.
as I look.
Okay, well, you don't look a day over 28.
That's what everyone tells me.
Really?
So I just run with it.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
just out here filming. I'm not doing anything illegal, am I?
Well, I was just asking, just out of curiosity. What
No,
you're filming.
you can film, but I just asked you. I'm not doing anything illegal, am I?
Not that I know of.
Right.
I was just curious to see what your project was for.
Right. Yeah, I just go out and I film all.
Do you go to other cities too, or just
Oh
Santa Fe
yeah,
Springs?
I do anything where the taxpayers' money is going. Keep everybody accountable.
Where taxpayers' money is going?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. You know, want to keep the police accountable. Want to keep all government workers accountable.
Are you a Santa Fe Springs resident?
Oh no, I don't think I want to answer that one though.
Oh, okay. Are you filming me right now?
Sure.
Okay. Well, I don't authorize that to be recorded. So.
Well, you're the public information officer? Aren't you aware of that when you're in public, you have no expectation of privacy? You don't know
I have
that?
no expectation. Well, I would like.
Once you leave your house, there's no expectation of privacy. That's why I'm coming in here. And I mean, you know, I know that you don't like it, but you walked up to me and you can see I'm filming, so what do you expect?
Well, I didn't know if you were recording.
Oh, I am recording. I'm audio.
Now I know.
Yeah. But you're not doing anything to make yourself look dumb. You're making yourself to look professional and
Oh
representing the city.
no, I'm not doing anything to make myself. But I didn't know I was being recorded. That's why.
Yeah. So that's you know, you're familiar with your First Amendment right? Okay, that basically your eyes can't be trespassed. I can go anywhere in public and film. Now, a lot of people don't like it because they just don't like
Well,
it.
cameras make people uncomfortable.
Right, but people's feelings don't trump my right to film.
No, I'm just saying out in my experience, cameras make people uncomfortable.
Well,
That's
you
why.
should quit here. Maybe go into the movies because you have that look.
Well, thank you. I
Nobody
appreciate
else has
that.
told you that? So get used to my camera there, young lady.
Well, you have a good day, sir.
Okay, it's all
Thank
good.
You.
You take care now.
You too.
Was your jacket a Dodger jacket?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
we're wearing
All right.
Dodger gear today.
Okay. And no ring on your finger yet, huh? You're not taken yet?
No ring on my finger.
Don't even have a boyfriend yet?
No.
Are you serious, huh? It's hard to find somebody that doesn't
Very.
want to put you in their basement, huh? Weirdos.
Yeah, there's a lot of them
Yeah.
out there.
Well, hang in there.
I will. You have a good day.
Okay,
Nice
you
talking
take
to you.
Yeah, nice talking to you. Bye now.
Bye.